So you just downloaded the CapCut software on your Windows laptop and you're trying to get acquainted with the interface. So in this video, I'll be showing how to create a new project right in CapCut. So when you open the software, you're going to be presented with a big blue button right here that says create project. You have other options here. AI video maker, that's if you want to do maybe YouTube automation, faceless channel stuff, or faceless automation YouTube stuff like that. You can use AI video maker, or if you want to record your screen, you can also use this option, but which is pretty cool because I've tried it and it's really amazing. But what's of importance to us right here is this. So I'm going to click create project, and then it takes you straight up into the CapCut interface where you have menus and other functions and features right here. Now this is your project name right here, 0625. Now you can go ahead and rename this to any project of your choice. I'm just going to say rename it to YouTube or video edit. You can use any name of your choice, right? Yeah, so this is how you can create a new project right in CapCut. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.